Hi guys, it's Leah. Welcome to my channel. Hope everybody's feeling very, very well. So today we're going to look at March's Lip Monthly. I don't know why this is so late. It seems to be getting later and later as the months go by. They seem to be catching up on each other. But nonetheless, it could have everything to do with what is going on in the world at the moment. So this is not worth moaning about or worrying about that it's late. I don't really care. So Lip Monthly, for those of you that do not know, it is it's a Lip Monthly subscription. I think it's about £16 per month, roundabout. I'll leave a link down below if you want to take a look for yourselves. And there's a little card saying, welcome to March 2020 bag. Spring is near, can you believe it? So we've ensured that this month's bag is filled with lippies that will help you transition into the new season in style. Show us your bag for a chance to be featured on our Instagram and Lip Monthly. I have to say, customer service for Lip Monthly is absolutely shockingly bad. So before you take out the subscription, I would keep that in mind, because I write to them all the time and they never have the decency actually to even reply. So, and I've even tried on Instagram and so I get ignored. Bad customer services, but I like the lip products, so you're in a catch-22. Okay, so the first thing in my bag, you get a little bag, sorry, jumping ahead of myself. I quite like this bag. This feels like a different material. I actually like this material better. It's like nylon. I assume that was probably waterproof as well. So yeah, I quite like the bag this month. Right, okay, so onto the lip products. You normally get about 4. This is by, I don't know who it's by, C something or other. C-Band Co. This is Perfect Pout. This is Volume and Shape. So this is going to probably be one of them things that burn the lips off with you. Apply to the lips evenly. Product will make lips tingle. Yeah. Got a little bit of a smell to it. I'm not quite sure where it is. Oops, loads of it come out there. I'm not putting loads on. I feel like it's got like a medicine taste to it, if that makes any sense. I don't like that. They sure are tingling. Whoa. Oh my god, that is not a tingle, that's burning. That is coming right off. I don't like that. Now kids are outside playing in the garden because it's a beautiful day. So I'm really, really sorry if you can hear them screaming, yelling, killing each other in the back garden. Right, okay, next product we have in my bag is, I don't know if it's pronounced Ibby. Oh, still feel that. This is Vela Liquid Lip. Ibby Beauty. And the shade is Berry Berry. Very Berry Berry. Let's have a look at this one. Ooh, nice colour. Quite pretty. Just zoom in so you can see. I'm going to pop it on so you can actually see these lip items actually on me, but I'm using my viewfinder, so that is still stinging me. It's got a, it smells like Play-Doh. Okay, well that seems a nice colour. I'm not sure it's one that I would reach for. Seems alright. I still feel that stuff burning my lips. Woo! Aha. Now we have got a Steve Laurant. Anybody that knows me knows that I absolutely adore his products. This is in the colour shade Orchard. It is... oh, looks like a lip oil. Looks like this. So I'll take this off. It's transfer proof, not transfer proof. Try a little bit of this on. I do like that, it's nice. Oh, I've got lipstick all over me, sorry guys. I do like that, it's quite nice. It's not sticky. Mouth's still burning. That's going in the bin. Love Steve Laurant, love the packaging, love the products. Absolutely gorgeous. Alright, last one is Jingle Velvet Shine Lip Jewel. It's in the colour shade pink. Oh, I think it's supposed to, oh no, Pinkaboo. And that's that one. I don't know how you pronounce that, I'm sorry guys. And inside here, ooh, what's that? It's quite pretty actually, I like that. I like lipsticks like this, lip balms, lipsticks. Nice. Should we try a bit of this on? Okay. Actually can't see any going on. The colour is there. Oh yeah, it's come through now. Okay. This might be better applied with your finger, like popping a bit on your finger and putting it in. Maybe, I don't know. Okay, well 2 out of 4. I see myself using this once I figure out how to actually get it on the lips. Steve Laurant, of course, like these two. These two are a no for me. That's going in the bin. That is like shockingly hot. I put a little blob on as well. Oh my god. Right, okay, so that is my lip monthly for the month of March. That's it. So if you would like to enter the April giveaway, it's a Jeffree style mirror. I'll leave a photo up here somewhere for you guys to have a look at. Please go ahead and enter. It's very easy to enter. I'll leave a link down below in case you want to try out Lip Monthly for yourselves. Just keep in mind, customer services are rubbish. Right, that's it for now. Please be safe. Please take care of yourselves, and I'll speak to you in the next video. Bye for now. Take care. Bye.